Aloha, this is Doña, your ukulista who brews you some nice, sweet and tasty ukulele tutorials. Today we go further step with the Apoyando. We use the Apoyando Thumb technique combined with a broken chord. So stop the video if you don't know about what I am talking and watch the tutorial 99 to 101 and then come back. Okie dokie, today we use the Andalusian cadence with the chords B minor. Normally you can play it like 4, 4, 3, 2 or 0, 4, 3, 2. I use it today with the 0 on the top because I prefer the bass sound. The next chord we use is A major, 2, 2, 2 and 0. The next chord we use is G major, 0, 0, 0, 3. And then E7, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0. So I repeat, B minor, A major, G major, E7. So the first thing you have to do is to get familiar and familiarize those chords of the Andalusian cadence. Do like a regular 8-beat 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, or play it like a whole measure. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... Okay? I repeat. B minor. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and A. So stop the video, practice this Andalusian cadence. As soon as you were familiar with it, we go the next step. Are you ready? Okie dokie. So what we've learned, the first drum we do is a rest stroke. We rest 1 beat on the second string, the G string. And then we play the last 3 strings, a down strum, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Familiarize this technique. This is a broken chord strum because we rest and then we play through the whole rest of the chord. So B minor, 1, 2, A major, 1, 2, G major, 1, 2, E7, 1, 2. Okay. Now we do further steps because I want to play 8 beats. So it's 1, 2 and Okay, we could do an upstroke just with the finger. 1, 2, and then we go ahead with the Apoyando technique, the rest stroke technique, and we do 3 and 4 and you just strum like 2 strings. You don't have to play the whole strings. It's like the lazy strum, the one and only 4-string boy uses to say that. So it's but in this case we do a rest stroke first. I repeat slowly. 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and you do it with the next chord, A major. 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and G major. 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and E7. 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and B minor. Do it again. I repeat. We do a rest stroke with the 1, then the 2, a thumb through with our thumb, and then an upstroke for the end of the 2. 1, 2, and then repeat with a rest stroke, upstroke. 3 and 4 and down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay. A, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. G, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. E7, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. B. Okay, practice this really, really slowly. I start normally when I learn something new between 45, 50 BPM. It depends on how tricky the technique is, or isn't that tricky. I start with 60, 65 BPM and then I go like 10 steps up. It depends on how tricky the pattern is. And then you can finalize this tiny melody with like a double rest stroke broken strum, like down, down, up, down, down, up, and a chord extension, and we use the note A. So enjoy that little practice. Tabs are available on my Patreon membership that you have a tiny piece to practice. Love you and see you for the next tutorial. So we go a little bit more in further step also in the free play technique. See you next.